Today is Friday, December 30th, 2022. Check out the progress I've made. We got the engine out. Gauge and just helped me with that. Just pulling it out. But anybody up north want a clean cab, it could be whatever year you want, as long as you got a VIN and title. Let me know now in the comments, because other than that, I'm gonna keep this bed. And I'm taking out the glass, and taking out the doors, and I'm getting the inside. It's clean in there. It's clean all around. It's pretty clean. It was a 95 four-wheel drive. You know, or no, it was a two-wheel drive. I'm sorry, it was a two-wheel drive, a 95. This shit, it did have 261,000 miles on it. You know, but holler at me. It's pretty clean. If you like to see stuff like this, maybe I'll record it and start putting it on for you to watch. You get an idea of how to do things a little bit. Alright, have a good day. Stay blessed. Much love.